Turnovers, 12 na sa Pure Foods, 4 pa lang sa Magnolia.
Ayun naman.
Yun ang stat na titignan ni Coach Ryan Gigoro sa halftime. Bakit nagkaganon? Bakit 12?
Namulaklak ng turnovers ang Pure Foods TJ Giants. Romel Adugol. Paside yung tira niya. Wala. They get it back. Ang bilis ng depensa ng Magnolia.
Ang bagal kasi ng pasa ng Pure Foods.
At ito, pilang titira sa labas. Wow! PJ Simon. Salvage the situation para din sa Pure Foods. 7 puntos para kay PJ Simon. Ang tiyempre sa dinsenyo ni Peter Jun Simon.
Well, down to 7 ang abante ng Magnolia. 37 to 30. 2 minutes and 44. Remaining sa ating first half. Romel Adukol matatawagan ng kanyang unang foul. At penalty na.
Hitik na hitik sa aksyon. Ito po napapanood yung laban na ito. Sa pagitan po ng mga...
Sa bilis eh.
Sa pagitan po ng dalawang koponan na sabi nga natin, walang bahid pa, hindi pa po nasusugatan dito po sa maagang konferensya natin. Daniel Defonso, lintis sa kanyang unang free throw. Ang dami na pong aksyon. Si Roger Yap, ngayon pa lamang po kayo nag-tune in. Abay siya po thrown out of the playing court na after 2 flagrant fouls. So,
flagrant foul,
penalty 2. Yun po. So, yun po yung nangyari dito kay Roger Yap. And we expect... Oh! Ito na naman ba? Alright. Hindi naman normal yung pangalan ng nanay ko. Normal. Okay. Pero gano'n. Ibang klase. What's in a name, mga kaibigan? Pero ito, PJ Simon, rejected. Sige, pumailang lang. Hinabol siya doon. Yung Mark Davis, ang gawan dito sa ilalim. Daniel Defonso, ako na ito.
At 13 ulit ang abante ng Magnolia.
Well, para po sa Pure Foods 10 reduce si Giants. PJ Simon, halos sana kumukuha ng mga huling tira. Ito pong PJ Giants. At hindi nga nila mabutas itong depensa ng Magnolia Beverage Masses. Panay long set ang binibitaw. Oh, partner. Sablay na sablay yan mula dito kay Brandon Cablay. And only one attempt at the basket.
Usapan to sa halftime.
I'm sure, buddy. Ha? Dito po sa napakahalagang ball game day ito.
Yung mga iba nga pala nagdiriwang ng birthday ng November 1. Coach Jolly pa.
Yes, oo.
November 1 at Pamparamea.
Happy birthday sa inyo sa Manila, Daniel Defonso. Aba, 12 puntos na para dito kay Daniel Defonso at dito sa huling sigurada ng ating second quarter. Pagkakita biglang rumatsada pa itong Magnolia Beverage Masters.
7 yung abante ng Magnolia. Yan po, first quarter. Baka sakali.
Bullet pass inside, anticipated by Magnolia.
Sandan. 17.
Olsen Rosella. Unang foul pa naman para kay Olsen Rosella.
Pero nasa penalty na nga itong magkabilang kumanan. 8.4 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half.
Kanina pa to, pasok ang unang free throw. Kanina pinakita yung may bahay ni Olsen, kasama yung anak niya. Ito si, hindi ko alam kung si John Salvador, nasasama niya yung kanyang baby. 4 months old pa lang eh. Hindi pa siguro, no?
Siguro.
Ayun pa, excited dati itong si John Salvador eh. Meron meron pong 30-second time. Meron pong 30-second time. Mga tiningin si Coach Shot Tankinson. Matalim na matalim ang Magnolia so far sa ball game nito. With 8.4 seconds remaining. Tuloy-tuloy tayo dito mga kaibigan ha.
Sayang nga naman yung ngiting-ngiti. Ngiti pa eh.
Nakita pa yung mga naglalaki niya mga ngipin. Alright. Ito, 8.4 seconds na lang. Lordy Tugade. Matatapos ang ating first half, mga kaibigan. Dito po sa matinding bakbakan dito, nakayuko. Ito si Coach Otang Kinsin. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala. Doon sa mga fans ng Magnolia, kahit nakayuko yung coach ninyo, nag-iisip lang, ano pa yung mas lalamangan pa. Ay ito pong Pure Foods TJ Giants. Yan po ang ating score. Magnolia 45.
At the half of what has been a physical and exciting ball game. We're back here in the coach's corner. Kiko Halili, kasama pa rin the best-dressed coach in all of basketball, Chot Reyes.
Thank you. Good evening ulit. Nice to see you again.
Okay, lamang po ang Magnolia, which is not a surprise. especially with the way they started, Coach.
Yes, grabe yung umpisa ng Magnolia. This 13-point lead is really on the strength of their strong run from the get-go.
And that get-go was fueled by the red-hot shooting of the Alaminos assassin, Lordi Tugade.
Yes, we're going to see 3 triples by Lordi Tugade, one after the other here. All from the movement in the offense of San Miguel, the ability to use screens. Very important, that's the first. Yung pangalawa niya dito comes from a broken play, actually a loose ball. Bumagsak kay Olsen, extra pass Lordi, nothing but net. Itong third is very instrumental, makita ng mga bata how to use screens, yung mga nanonood sa atin. He fakes like he's going to the top of the key, and then he reads his defense, he flares to the wing. And ang tinatawag natin in basketball terminology, nagpe-flare sa wing, gets open, again, hits nothing but the bottom of the net for his third three-pointer.
Well, habang itong Magnolia, they've been enjoying puncturing that hoop. They actually shot very well in that opening quarter. Ang Pure Foods naman, Coach, pangilan-ngilan, patingi-tingi ang kanilang mga tirada sa labas.
Of course, hinahanap natin yung puntos at yung opensa ng kanilang main men. Kirby Raimundo's only had 3 points in this first half. And James Yap has been very quiet. Dito makikita natin, nagsona ang San Miguel dito. The Magnolia team, I'm sorry, went on a zone, and that gave James Yap a slightest of openings in which he drilled that 3-point shot. Ito namang next sequence natin is the reason why Magnolia is on top. Suffocating defense. Starts from great ball pressure. Pressure ni L.A. Tenorio dyan sa bola kay Chico Lanete. They go to the post. Great individual defense by Enrico Villanueva, by Daniel Defonso against
Fingris, yeah.
Mark Fingris. Lampas yung tira, offensive rebound, loose ball. Magnolia never gives up on the ball. Ito habang hinahabol ng Pure Foods yung bola, nag-24-second shot clock violation na sila.
So yun ang tinatawag na lips-to-lips defense. Talagang walang kawala, binakura na gusto. And the statistics from the first half, very, very interesting actually, yung vital statistics.
Correct.
Really explains a lot.
Ang pinakamalaking difference obviously is the total field goal percentage, 42-24. Even the 3-point shooting. And then, the only reason Pure Foods is still even in this ball game is their dominance under the boards, 36-17 as the #1 rebounding team. Ang problema, ang daming nga nilang rebound, ang dami naman nilang tinatapon. 15 turnovers.
You can also make an argument shot na mas konti rebound sa Magnolia because
Walang i-rebound eh.
walang i-rebound.
Shoot palagi.
Less misses, more conversions.
Yes. But if I were Coach Ryan Gregorio, once he gets over his initial disappointment by their start, it's very easy to say that, in the second quarter, they held Magnolia to only 14 points. So that's a very good sign for them.
As you look at the leading performers at the end of the first 24 minutes of play, interestingly, Peter Junsimon and James Yap, although they are the top 2 scorers for Pure Foods,
Yes.
they're shooting horribly tonight.
Correct. They're shooting horribly. And again, absent dyan si Kirby Raimundo. Of course, Kirby already has 3 fouls. James Yap likewise has 3 fouls. And that's really going to hamper them. I'm sure Coach Ryan Gregorio at halftime told them to continue playing aggressive but be a lot smarter to stay away from those fouls.
I think, Sean, you'll have to agree, pag napanood ng mga viewers natin itong Magnolia, especially in that first half, really fuels the speculation that Magnolia is the team to beat.
Well, in the lineup, the team that they've built, they're really a very, very deep team. Yes, and I'm sure you will get very, very few arguments by saying that Magnolia is indeed the team to beat.
Well, you get an argument from Talking Text, I bet.
Of course, yes, but on paper, grabe ang lineup ng Magnolia.
Okay, so that was your Petron XCS halftime update.
Tama ka, no? At mas madali naman pumunta dyan sa Monera Asdo, lalo na yung mga fans natin galing doon. Cavite.
Tama, oo. At marami tayo sa mga kaibigan natin doon, ano? Isang sakay lang yung partner eh. Wala
sakay
nang
lang.
dito, no? So, ano po
yung
kayo?
bus nung dadaan sa tapat nun eh.
Oo. So, sigurado naman tayo, hindi naman sila gagabihin eh. Dahil, marubilis yung mga laro natin.
Laro eh.
Oo, at kaya naman po, ito mga kaibigan, muli binabati po namin kayo. Sana po'y naiibigan ninyo. Aming pagkahandog dito, Molly Boro po, kasama si Barry Pascua. Ito po ang labanan ng dalawa po sa pinaka-heavy cuts ngayon dito sa ating komperensya. Ang Magnolia Beverage Masters at ang Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants. Ang mananalo po dito, abay solo first place sa ating pong komperensya. Samantala, ang matatalo nga naman, well, masusugatan sa kauno ng pagkakataon sa ating
magtatabla sila ng
Olympic
talk
Cup.
and text sa 2-1.
Ayun po. So ito po. At dito nga sa nangyaring first half, talagang ibang klase pinamalas ng Magnolia Beverage Masters. At ito pong Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants, talagang hirap na hirap.